Welcome stalkers and new viewers. Today, as you can guess, is a quick video on how to put together a cheap and simple Michael Myers 2018 cosplay for Comic Cons and shit like that. It's not going to be a screen accurate cosplay as such because we're working this on a budget. So to start with, I've got my boiler suit or coveralls if you're in America. So mine are a deep blue, but I know in the film he does wear charcoal. A little thing I'd recommend, which I haven't done, I would recommend stitching a strip of Velcro to the centre inside of the collar and also to the back of the mask. This holds up the collar just to give it a very sort of iconic look. You know how he always has his collar up, because he's just fucking suave. Of course, we also need the Workman boots and a knife. I know it's not necessarily his main method of killing. Statistically, Myers has strangled more than he has stabbed. That is just the iconic weapon of Myers. And speaking of knives, I would recommend heading to Mad About Horror if you're from the UK like me, or Trick or Treat Studios if you're over in the States, you lucky sods. You've got the Halloween 2018 Michael Myers kitchen knife over there. It looks great, very cheap. But I've got a real kitchen knife here which looks pretty identical to it, so I'm going to be using that. I wouldn't recommend going to a Comic Con with this because I had a brush with the law not too long ago and I had armed police attack me and my friend because they thought we were real killers. They were half right. Anyway, so this is the mask, knife, boiler suit and boots together to give you an idea of how it looks here. Looks pretty cool. But yeah, I've already made a video on the mask, so I'm not going to go into too much detail reviewing it or anything like that. I'll leave a link in the description, a card, maybe something at the end of the video for you guys to find it, or just look for it on my channel. A little close up to show you how it looks as well. I have been considering taking on a project to repaint a 2018 mask, not this one. I do want to keep one as is and then have another one repainted and re-haired. But yeah, I would be pretty damn interested in doing it. Just let me know in the comment section below. Is that something you guys would like to watch me do? I've heard a couple of people mention it, so I might do it. If you want to be really legit, check out the Michael Myers eye appliance, Trick or Treat Studios once again, or Mad About Horror if you're from the UK. As I was saying before, just add Velcro to the back of the mask if you want to do that. Don't worry if not. But I hope you enjoyed the quick tutorial. So before we end the video, we're going to have a quick cosplay test. Enjoy. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial, just a quick little one here. So let me know in the comment section what you thought of this. I'm thinking making a bit of a series of how to cosplay different characters. Just want to ask you, if you haven't already, please subscribe. I do release content frequently and varied. And be sure also to share the scares. And as always, keep it creepy.